Hi there, welcome to my channel, crewvn.com.
<silence> ONG LAM HANG. This diagram illustrates the cargo handling arrangement on a ship, focusing on various parts of the cargo lifting system and associated components for cargo handling. Key components. Single mast or cot john is basically a single vertical mast used to support the lifting equipment. Post or true refers to a vertical structure that supports the crane or lifting gear. So, the block is a key part of the rigging that's used for lifting cargo. It's actually part of the pulley system, which, helps make heavy lifting a lot more manageable. Now, the union purchase system is a setup of rigging or lifting gear that's specifically designed to move or lift really heavy loads. It's commonly used together with blocks and tackles, making it a reliable method for handling big cargo. The swing boom system is used for both lifting and swinging cargo. Often it features a rotating boom that allows you to move the load around efficiently, which is super helpful during cargo operations. Alright, let's talk about some other key components. The hatchboard handle, or hotai kam nung nap mieng koang, is used to handle the hatch board that covers the hatch opening. Then, there's the hatch cleat, or which is a device used to secure ropes or lines for closing the hatch. Next, we have the molding bar, or then nep mep tren mieng koang, which is used for edging or finishing the hatch opening. The locking bar, or bat fui nap mieng koang, is used for locking the hatch cover in place. The hatch in bed, or nap mieng koang, is simply the cover or lid that seals the cargo hold opening. Now, the deck girder, or shangang bung, is a horizontal structural beam used in the deck. The gunnel angle, or dan thep gok tai map man, is the angle where the side of the ship meets the deck. The side light, or gen man, is a light mounted on the side of the ship for navigation. The loudspeaker, or loe, is used for communication or announcements on board. The radar mast, or cot radar, is the mast on which the radar equipment is mounted. The gooseneck vent, or ong thong gio kon gong, is a ventilation pipe with a curved top, often used for air intake or exhaust. And finally, the gearbox, or hopso, is a mechanical device used to change gears in the machinery for lifting. So, let's go over the main functions. The single mast and post serve as the foundation for the lifting equipment, such as the blocks, which are essential in the pulley system used for lifting cargo. The swing boom system allows for a rotating lifting mechanism to move cargo across different parts of the ship. Hatch handling equipment, including hatch cleats and locking bars, ensures that cargo holds are securely closed and that the hatches are easy to operate. Additional components like the deck girder, gunwale angle, and side light are integral parts of the ship's structural framework and navigation equipment. Altogether, this system of cargo handling arrangements ensures that the ship's crew can safely load and unload cargo while navigating and maneuvering the ship efficiently. Now, this diagram shows different types of ship cranes and lifting systems used for cargo handling. Below are the key components and their names. So, the Holland derrick is a type of derrick that's used for heavy lifting, and you'll usually find it on older ships or, some specialized vessels. The system itself includes cargo ropes, which we call day cow hang, and it's got lifting capabilities like the lifting crane, or twanang can, as well as the spinning crane, which is toi kui can. Now, let's talk about the Thompson ship crane. This is a specific type of ship crane used on vessels for lifting cargo. It's made up of several components such as cargo ropes, again, that's dai cow hang, plus the lifting crane, or toi nang kan, and also the cargo mast, which we refer to as true cow. And finally, there's the Stulken mast, which is another type of crane you'll commonly find on ships. It's well known for its mast-based design. The main parts include cargo ropes, or dai cow hang, the lifting crane, also called toi nang hang, and of course the mast base, which is true cow. The deck crane is mounted directly on the ship's deck, and it's mainly used for loading and unloading cargo. It features impressive lifting capabilities, and typically, it requires either electrical or mechanical operation, also known as toi jian. An electric winch is a winch driven by electricity that's used in lifting operations. A cargo winch is a mechanical device that's used to lift or lower cargo, and it's driven by either electric or manual means. The control box is, basically, the control unit that operates the winch, crane, or other cargo handling systems. These lifting devices are essential for handling large and heavy loads on ships, and they're typically used to load and unload cargo from the deck to port and vice versa. The cranes in this diagram provide flexibility and efficiency in lifting various types of cargo, often including systems for rotating, hoisting, and managing loads. This setup ensures that the ship can manage heavy cargo movements safely and effectively, which really helps facilitate efficient loading and unloading processes.